Loquat is not only a delicious and flavorful fruit, but also plays an important role in agriculture and cuisine. Every year, bountiful loquat orchards provide a rich and abundant source of ingredients for both domestic and international markets. But how are these ripe golden fruits carefully grown, nurtured, harvested, and processed? Join us as we explore the incredible journey of this remarkable and fascinating fruit in the video below. Let's begin with the cultivation process. The loquat tree, scientifically known as Areobotrya japonica, is an evergreen fruit tree that thrives in subtropical climates. The journey starts with selecting a suitable location. These trees prefer well-draining soil and direct sunlight. While loquats can be grown from seeds, most commercial farmers choose grafted saplings to ensure consistent fruit quality and an earlier harvest. During the growth phase, loquat trees require careful attention. The soil must remain evenly moist, but not waterlogged, and regular fertilization with a balanced NPK formula helps establish a strong root system. An important aspect of loquat tree care is pruning during the dormant season. Pruning helps the tree grow more vigorously, enhancing its ability to flower and set fruit. Old, weak, or diseased branches are removed, and the spacing between branches is adjusted to ensure the tree receives enough sunlight and room to grow. Proper pruning not only encourages stronger growth in the loquat tree, but also increases fruit yield and quality, ensuring the best possible care for the tree. One unique feature of loquat cultivation is that the tree flowers in autumn or early winter. Soft blossoms bloom in clusters, releasing a sweet fragrance that attracts bees for pollination. Although the tree produces a large number of flower buds, farmers often thin out the excess buds to concentrate nutrients on the remaining ones. The trimmed buds are not wasted, but repurposed for making herbal tea, a valuable health remedy. As winter transitions into spring, the real magic begins. Small green fruits start to develop, gradually swelling and shifting from pale green to a vibrant orange. Many farmers will prune away lower quality fruits, allowing nutrients to focus on the best ones, while also using protective nets or individual bags around the clusters to ensure the highest quality possible. The harvest season is perhaps the most critical phase in loquat cultivation. Precise timing is essential. Each fruit must be picked at just the right moment of ripeness. Unlike some other types of fruit, loquats do not continue to ripen once they have been harvested. The harvest usually takes place in early spring, making loquats one of the very first fruits to mark the start of the season. Skilled harvesters carefully select fruits that have reached the perfect orange hue and feel slightly soft to the touch. Each fruit is hand-picked to avoid damage, often using specialized picking tools for higher branches. The fruits are immediately placed in cushioned baskets to prevent bruising. This process requires considerable effort, along with skill and patience, as not all fruits ripen at the same time. After harvesting, they are cleaned thoroughly and prepared for various purposes. Processing loquats opens up an exciting world of culinary possibilities. While many people enjoy eating them fresh, these versatile fruits can be crafted into a variety of different products. Some are transformed into delicious jams, jellies, and preserves. Their natural pectin content makes them exceptionally well suited for these uses. Next, let's explore how to make loquat jam, a popular treat made from this fruit. Ripe loquats are washed and cut into small pieces, then placed in a pot with sugar. Simmering on low heat allows the sugar to dissolve slowly and blend with the fruit. A touch of lemon juice is added, not only for a hint of tartness, but also to help preserve the jam. While simmering, the mixture is stirred regularly to avoid burning and achieve a smooth consistency. When the jam reaches a rich golden color and desired thickness, it's cooled before being placed in sterilized glass jars. Once ready, loquat jam pairs wonderfully with bread, pastries, or drinks, offering a sweet, fragrant taste of spring. And so we've journeyed through the entire process of cultivating loquats, a labor of dedication and patience. Next time you enjoy a ripe loquat or a spoonful of loquat jam, we hope you'll appreciate the remarkable journey of this fruit. If you're interested in learning more about agriculture, feel free to share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating agricultural documentaries. See you next time as we continue exploring the wonderful world of farming. In China, chili is not only a familiar spice, but also has deep cultural and economic value. Every year, chili fields across the country supply about 70,000 tons to serve the global market. Let's explore the interesting journey of chili from seeds to bottles of rich sauce in today's video. The journey of chilies begins with careful soil preparation. Farmers meticulously till the soil, ensuring it is rich in nutrients and well aerated to support healthy growth. To give their plants the best start, farmers use state-of-the-art nurseries where conditions such as temperature, humidity, and light are closely monitored and optimized, resulting in significantly improved germination rates. Within just 7 days of sowing, the seeds germinate into seedlings about 5 cm tall. After 15 days, these seedlings, cared for with regular watering, proper fertilization, and protection from pests and harsh environmental conditions, are about 10 to 15 cm tall and ready for the next important step. At this point, farmers will pull out individual seedlings to plant by hand in the plowed beds. For larger fields, they will use automated transplanters, which can place each seedling in the main field with efficiency and precision. These machines are calibrated to plant at precise spacing, usually 30 to 50 CEs depending on the variety of pepper, ensuring each plant has enough space for photosynthesis and optimal growth. Once established in the field, the chili plants require regular and attentive care. Adequate irrigation is essential, and farmers often use drip or sprinkler systems to ensure even water delivery to each plant, avoiding both drought and waterlogging, a common risk during the rainy season. Fertilization and weeding are carried out regularly throughout the growing cycle to support vigorous growth, flowering, and eventually fruit development. Pest management is another important aspect, with farmers using crop protection products such as insecticides and fungicides in a timely manner to protect the plants from common threats such as aphids, spider mites, and fungal infections. Depending on the variety and growing conditions of each region, chilies typically reach maturity in 2 to 3 months. A key indicator of ripeness is the bright red color of the fruit, signaling peak flavor and nutritional quality. For small-scale farms, hand harvesting remains the preferred method. Workers meticulously select each chili, ensuring it is undamaged or of poor quality. Meanwhile, on large commercial farms, harvesting has also been transformed by technology. Specialized mechanical harvesters now allow farmers to harvest ripe chilies efficiently while minimizing labor requirements. These machines are designed to handle the delicate plants gently, separating the ripe chilies without damaging the fruit or the plant itself. An integrated conveyor system then collects and transports the harvested chilies to waiting vehicles for delivery to processing facilities. After harvesting, the peppers are transported to processing plants where they undergo thorough cleaning to remove dirt, debris, and other plant matter. Next, state-of-the-art sorting machines separate the peppers based on size, color, and quality. The best peppers are sent to further processing, while the poorer quality peppers are used to make animal feed or fertilizer. During processing, natural drying is an important step, especially for products such as chili powder. This traditional method utilizes sunlight to reduce moisture, helping to extend the storage time and retain the natural flavor. The ingredients are spread evenly on trays or tarps to dry in the sun, saving energy and being environmentally friendly. The drying time depends on the type of agricultural product and weather conditions, ensuring that the ingredients meet quality standards before being used to produce diverse products such as sriracha sauce, chili powder, or dried chili, contributing to enriching the flavor of dishes around the world. After being dried, the chilies are brought to the factory where they are removed from the stems and seeds as well as the damaged and unqualified fruits to improve the color and flavor of the finished chili powder. They are then put into an industrial grinder to be finely ground, forming a uniform chili powder. The powder mixture is then screened through a sieve system to remove unwanted impurities and ensure the required fineness. In addition, the powder is also processed through an iron powder removal system using industrial magnets to ensure food safety and hygiene. Finally, the chili powder is packaged in specialized moisture-proof packaging, well preserved and retaining its flavor. Chili powder is not only the main ingredient in spicy dishes, but is also used to make sauces, marinate foods, and produce industrial food products, contributing to creating a unique flavor. The success of chili farming in China is a testament to the dedication and innovation of its farmers. By combining traditional farming methods with cutting-edge technology, they have created a highly efficient and sustainable production system that is capable of meeting the world's growing demand for spices. If you found this exploration of modern chili farming as interesting as we did, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel for more stories from the world of agriculture. Your support helps us continue to create useful and engaging content. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Did you know that California is the strawberry capital of the United States, producing more than 1.7 billion pounds of strawberries each year, accounting for more than 90% of the country's production? These plump red strawberries are not only the result of favorable natural conditions, but also the hard work of thousands of hardworking farmers. So how does the process of growing, caring for, harvesting, and processing this delicious and nutritious fruit take place? Let's find out in today's video. The story of strawberry farming begins with careful selection. California farmers select mother plants that are healthy, disease-resistant, and produce large, sweet fruit. From these mother plants, runners, the natural extensions that grow from the base, are separated and nurtured under tightly controlled conditions. This propagation process ensures consistency in quality and yield, resulting in healthy seedlings ready for planting in California's rich soil. Land preparation is the next and very important step. Farmers plow the field thoroughly to improve the porosity, allowing the roots to grow freely and absorb nutrients effectively. Organic fertilizers and minerals are added to increase fertility, while pest control measures are combined from the beginning. The land is then raised into high rows, covered with plastic to retain moisture, inhibit weeds, regulate soil temperature, and prevent fruit from coming into direct contact with the soil, reducing the risk of pests and diseases. Once the soil is ready, strawberry seedlings are transplanted into small holes cut into the mulch with a precise distance of 30 to 45 cm between each plant. This distance allows for healthy root development and ensures that the leaves do not shade each other, promoting even growth. In the first weeks after planting, constant monitoring is essential, as strawberries require a constant supply of moisture. Farmers use modern sprinkler or rotary irrigation systems to distribute water evenly across the entire field, minimizing wastage while ensuring the plants receive the amount of water they need. Strawberries are susceptible to a number of pests, including thrips, aphids, and spider mites, especially during the seedling and flowering stages. Additionally, diseases such as Botrytis cinerea, commonly known as gray mold, can threaten crops in wet conditions. California farmers employ integrated pest management strategies that combine natural methods with targeted pesticide use when necessary. After 2 to 4 weeks, the strawberry plants begin to bloom, producing pure white flowers that mark the beginning of the fruiting stage. Pollination is key at this point, determining the quantity and quality of the fruit. Bees and other pollinators naturally assist in this process, although farmers may sometimes intervene with artificial pollination techniques to maximize fruit set. With proper care and favorable weather, these flowers will soon develop into small green berries that will eventually ripen into the plump red strawberries consumers love. Strawberry picking is an art. Because strawberries are so perishable and delicate, picking is done by hand to avoid bruising and damage. Harvesting usually takes place early in the morning or late in the afternoon to protect the fruit from the effects of high temperatures, which can reduce quality. Workers carefully select only ripe, plump, and fragrant strawberries, saving partially ripe ones for future harvests. Remarkably, each plant can be harvested every 3 to 4 days for several weeks at the peak of the season, ensuring a steady supply of fresh strawberries. Nowadays, strawberry harvesting machines have been developed, but their application is still limited due to the fragile nature of this fruit. Some farms have used semi-automatic harvesters, mainly conveyor systems or forklifts, to support strawberry pickers. To fully automate, companies have developed strawberry harvesting robots with artificial intelligence, which can identify ripe fruits through image sensors and lasers, then pick them with robotic arms without crushing them. Although they cannot completely replace manual labor, harvesting robots are gradually shaping the future of agriculture. After picking, strawberries are gently placed on trays or plastic baskets to avoid bruising, then quickly transported to a collection point to be sorted by size and freshness. Those that meet the standards are then packed directly in the orchard, crated, palletized, and ready for shipping around the world. Processing speed is key. Strawberries need to be consumed or processed as soon as possible after harvest to retain their sweetness, texture, and nutritional value. Strawberries, intended for long-term storage or processing into specialty products, are sent to processing facilities for rigorous treatment to maintain quality. Strawberries are thoroughly washed using automatic washing systems or ozone water to remove dirt and bacteria. After cleaning, workers manually inspect and remove any that do not meet quality standards. Selected strawberries are then frozen Depending on the intended use, strawberries can be sliced or left whole, then quickly frozen at around 20 DECC to preserve flavor, color, and nutrients. Once frozen, they are graded by size and packaged in protective boxes, ready for distribution to supermarkets and food manufacturers. This story of California's strawberry fields will give you a deeper understanding of the hard work and care that goes into every strawberry you enjoy. If you found this exploration informative and inspiring, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these amazing strawberries. The United States is currently the world's leading cherry producer, with famous growing regions such as Washington, Oregon, California, and Michigan producing between 300,000 and 400,000 tons per year. American cherries are popular around the world not only because of their plump, bright red appearance, but also because of their sweet, slightly sour, and attractive flavor. So what makes this great quality? Let's find out in today's video. The cherry growing journey begins with careful soil preparation and suitable climatic conditions. For cherries to thrive, the soil must be loose and well drained, avoiding waterlogging, which can damage delicate roots. The soil pH must be carefully managed, ideally between 6 and 7, and adjusted with lime if too acidic. Prior to planting, compost or well-rotted manure is added to enrich the soil with essential nutrients. Cherry planting typically takes place in the fall or early spring when the weather is mild and the soil retains enough moisture for the young trees to take root. Farmers maintain optimal spacing, with trees ranging from 13 to 20 feet, about 4 to 6 meters, between each tree depending on the variety, to allow enough space for the tree canopy and root system. Planting involves digging a hole about 2 feet, about 6 meters wide, and deep enough for the young tree's roots to grow comfortably, ensuring a solid foundation for future growth. To increase efficiency and reduce labor intensity, modern cherry farmers use advanced machinery specifically designed for cherry tree planting. These machines, often equipped with GPS technology, ensure precise planting locations and uniform spacing, making large-scale cherry orchard cultivation much more feasible. In the early stages, regular watering is necessary to maintain soil moisture, but it is equally important to avoid oversaturation, which can damage the roots. As the tree matures, watering gradually decreases and is only necessary during dry or hot periods, reflecting the cherry tree's reduced water needs. Fertilization is timed well during the early growth stages. Nitrogen-rich fertilizers help the tree develop lush foliage, strong trunks and branches, creating a strong framework that supports later fruit production. Pruning plays an important role in peach orchard care. The best time to prune is in late winter or early spring, when the trees are dormant, but just before buds begin to bloom. Farmers carefully remove weak, dry, or crossing branches to direct energy to the healthiest branches, thereby increasing yields and improving disease resistance. When spring arrives, usually around March to April, cherry blossoms turn orchards into a sea of pale pink or pure white blossoms, signaling the approaching growing season. After successful pollination, small fruits begin to form. Depending on the variety and the weather, cherries ripen over a period of 45 to 90 days, turning from green to yellow, pink, and finally the deep red that signals optimum ripeness. Harvesting is a crucial and delicate stage of cherry growing. Traditionally, skilled workers would hand-pick cherries, carefully picking each fruit to keep the stem intact, which helps to prolong shelf life and preserve the fruit's shape. The gentle handling minimizes bruising and damage, ensuring that only intact cherries reach consumers. However, on large commercial farms, mechanical cherry harvesters have become indispensable. These sophisticated machines, some capable of handling 10 to 20 tons per hour, use precision vibration systems to separate ripe fruit from branches and leaves while protecting the branches and leaves. Models even incorporate sensors and cameras to accurately identify and harvest ripe fruit, maximizing efficiency and maintaining quality. Once harvested, cherries are quickly transported to processing facilities where the journey from orchard to consumer continues with the same meticulous care. The first step is washing, where automated systems use clean water and mild detergents to gently remove dirt and potential contaminants. Next, cherries are dried to prevent moisture damage during storage and transportation. And the next crucial stage is sorting and screening, using sensor to collect machines to evaluate each cherry based on color, gloss, size, and overall condition, ensuring only the best specimens are packed. process takes place in a hygienic, temperature-controlled environment to maintain freshness and protect the integrity of the fruit. Cherries are carefully arranged in specially designed boxes that cushion and support the fruit, extending shelf life and protecting against damage during transport. Cherries that do not meet the strict standards for fresh consumption are turned into value-add products such as juices. The juicing process involves thorough washing, followed by grinding or pressing to extract the juice, followed by careful filtering to remove the seeds and pulp. The juice is pasteurized or sterilized for safety and long-term storage before being bottled or canned under strict sanitary conditions, providing consumers with a convenient and nutritious alternative to fresh fruit. The remarkable journey of cherry farming is a testament to the dedication of American farmers and the power of modern agricultural technology. If you found this journey as interesting as we did, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insights into the world of farming and agricultural innovation. See you next time. Sea buckthorn, this tiny superfruit, is known as liquid gold because of its rich nutrient content with fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. Known for centuries, sea buckthorn or sea berry has become a globally popular superfood and is grown in many places around the world. Join us in this video to visit a rich sea buckthorn farm in the middle of the Russian plains where this resilient plant still thrives in the harsh climate. The journey of growing sea buckthorn begins with propagation, an important step to ensure healthy and strong plants. Sea buckthorn is usually propagated by cuttings. Growers take 5 C-long cuttings from the previous year and soak them about 2/3 of the way in water to encourage root development. After a few days of soaking, the cuttings are inserted into a moist growing medium, such as a sand and peat mixture, burying them 1/2 to 2/3 of the way. It is essential to maintain a consistent level of moisture to promote rooting. Within a few weeks, the cuttings will begin to grow roots, and when these roots are about 1 inch long, the young plants are potted in individual pots. These potted cuttings are nurtured in a controlled environment for about 3 months, allowing them to develop healthy root systems before being transplanted into the field. Transplanting sea buckthorn requires careful attention to spacing and soil conditions. Typically, growers space young bushes 1.5 to 2 meters apart to ensure adequate airflow and room for future growth. Sea buckthorn grows best in well-drained, sandy soil with a neutral pH of between 6 and 7. Although the plant is known for its drought tolerance, regular watering, especially during dry periods, is required to promote fruit development and maintain plant health. However, overwatering should be avoided, as sea buckthorn is susceptible to root rot in waterlogged soil. During the first 1 to 2 years, young trees focus on vegetative growth. This period is important for monitoring and maintaining the health of the trees. Farmers regularly inspect trees for signs of pests, including aphids and fungal infections, which can be controlled with organic pesticides and appropriate pruning. Pruning is especially important because it promotes better air circulation and encourages the growth of fruit-bearing branches. Sea buckthorn trees typically begin to produce fruit around their 3rd or 4th year and can continue to produce fruit for many years after that, making them a long-term investment in sustainable agriculture. Harvesting is one of the most productive periods in growing sea buckthorn. Berries gradually change from green to bright orange or orange-shello, ready to harvest when they are soft to the touch and emit a distinctive sweet aroma. Depending on the size of the farm, the berries can be harvested by hand or by machine. On small farms or home gardens, hand picking is common. Although time-consuming, this method allows for careful selection and ensures minimal damage to the berries. On large commercial farms like the one we are visiting today, mechanical harvesting is used to efficiently harvest the ripe berries. In 2023, this particular farm reported a successful production of around 10,000 kg of sea buckthorn berries, a result achieved through precise agricultural management and favorable weather conditions. After harvesting, the berries are quickly transported to processing facilities to preserve their nutritional content. The first step in processing is to sort the berries to remove any unripe or damaged berries. They are then thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. To extract the juice, the berries are pressed or crushed, creating a vibrant, nutrient-rich liquid, rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural sugars. This juice can be consumed directly or used as a base for a variety of foods and healthcare products. This oil, known for its exceptional health and cosmetic benefits, is primarily derived from the seeds of the berries. These seeds are separated from the pulp, carefully dried, and then cold pressed or CO2 extracted to produce high-quality sea buckthorn oil. The resulting oil is orange color in color and contains more than 190 bioactive compounds, including rare omega-7 fatty acids, which are particularly beneficial for skin hydration, regeneration, and elasticity. Sea buckthorn oil is a prized ingredient in both skincare and health products. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it suitable for treating many skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Furthermore, its high vitamin C and E content makes it a natural source of antioxidants, protecting the skin from environmental damage and signs of aging. We hope this behind-the-scenes look at growing sea buckthorn has given you a deeper understanding of this remarkable plant, from breeding to processing. The dedication and knowledge required to bring liquid gold from the soil to the shelf is a testament to the potential of nature when combined with responsible farming. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about unique crops and sustainable agriculture, be sure to like it, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting farming adventures. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next episode. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Japanese lotus root farming. We will take you through the entire process from planting to harvesting and finally to the processing of these delicious and nutritious roots. The lotus root, renowned for its delightful taste and high fiber content, is a staple in many Japanese dishes. At approximately $10.00 per kilogram fresh, it is both affordable and highly valued. Let's explore how these roots are grown and harvested. The journey begins in April, the ideal time to plant lotus roots. These roots need about 4 months of preparation before they can be planted. The process starts by throwing the lotus roots into the mud, which has been meticulously prepared beforehand. The field must be thoroughly improved before planting, ensuring the soil is rich in nutrients and the water levels are ideal. It is interesting to note that careful preparation and attention to detail can affect the quality of the lotus roots. Even seeds are used for planting, it will take longer for the roots to mature. For the winter crop, lotus roots are typically grown in greenhouses to protect them from the cold, ensuring a year-round supply. Lotus plants are relatively easy to cultivate. After about 3 months, they exhibit significant growth. However, it is crucial to ensure the field is regularly and fully supplied with nutrients. The importance of balanced fertilization cannot be overstated, as it directly affects the yield and quality of the lotus roots. Additionally, maintaining clean water and replenishing it regularly is essential for healthy growth. The water quality plays a significant role in the overall health of the lotus plants, and farmers often invest in systems to ensure the water remains clean and fresh. Spraying to eliminate pests and removing water hyacinths are also important steps in the cultivation process. Pests can significantly damage the crops if not managed properly, and water hyacinth can compete with the lotus plants for nutrients and space. When the lotus plants bloom, it signals that the roots are ready to be harvested. The blooming of the lotus flowers is a beautiful sight and a clear indicator for the farmers. The harvesting process involves washing away the mud to reveal the lotus roots. This is a meticulous process, and farmers need to ensure that all the lotus roots are harvested to prepare the field for the new season. The dried lotus stems left behind serve as nutrition for the next layer of mud, enriching the soil for future crops. This sustainable practice of using the remnants of the previous crop to nourish the next one is a key aspect of lotus root farming. Harvesting is typically done by hand, ensuring that the roots are carefully extracted without damage. The labor-intensive nature of this task highlights the dedication and expertise of the farmers. The harvested roots are then transported to the processing facility where they undergo further preparation before reaching consumers. Once harvested, the lotus roots are brought to the processing plant. Hundreds of tons of lotus roots are produced here annually, reflecting the scale of the operation. The first step in the processing plant is to wash the roots thoroughly to remove all the mud. This step is crucial to ensure that the roots are clean and ready for further processing. The next step is to remove the rootlets, which are the small hair-like structures on the roots. This is followed by cutting off the heads of the roots, which prepares them for packaging. The roots are then sorted and packed according to their size and quality. The sorting process ensures that only the best quality lotus roots reach the market. The best quality lotus roots are typically older roots that have grown in nutrient-rich mud. These are often dug by hand to ensure their integrity and quality. The entire process from planting to processing is a testament to the dedication and expertise of the farmers and workers involved. In 2024, the lotus root industry in Japan continues to thrive with advancements in farming techniques and processing technologies. These improvements have led to increased efficiency and higher yields, ensuring that the demand for this beloved root is met, both domestically and internationally. The processing plant itself is a marvel of modern technology, equipped with state-of-the-art machinery that streamlines the various stages of processing. From automated washing systems to precision cutting tools, each piece of equipment plays a vital role in maintaining the high standards expected of Japanese lotus roots. Workers at the plant are highly skilled, ensuring that each step is performed with the utmost care and attention to detail. As we conclude this exploration of Japanese lotus root farming, we reflect on the hard work and dedication that goes into producing these delicious and nutritious roots. The journey from planting to processing is a complex and labor-intensive one, but it results in a product that is cherished by many. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Japanese lotus root farming. We hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for the hard work and dedication that goes into producing these delicious and nutritious roots. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of farming in our next video.